What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to switch accounts in Clash of Clans on your iOS or Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Clash of Clans, tap on the settings icon to access your settings. If your Supercell account is connected to your current village, then tap on the Connected button. Make sure that you're using a reliable network connection in order to access your settings and switch accounts. Select the gear icon to get to your Supercell settings. Here, tap on Logout. Confirm logging out and you will then be sent back to the login screen for the game. You can then select to log in with Supercell ID or play without Supercell ID. Select to log in using any of these options and you will be prompted to log in with your preferred account. In most cases, you will have to enter a code which will be sent to your email address. You can then access your game progress saved on your other Supercell account. In case you are stuck or having issues logging in at this moment, then this issue is most likely linked to server issues, to your own network connection, or because you are using a wrong login. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.